the construction of this and why he can do some of these maneuvers.
I think it's one of the Christmas aerobatic airplanes out there. Right? When it came onto the market, certainly there were other aircraft at that time, but this particular airplane uses techniques from carbon fibers, composites, back to traditional steel structures. It makes it very, very strong, very light, very agile, and able to do these types of quick maneuvers and, well, high alpha maneuvers that Kirby Chambliss has become known for. It gives him an edge, you might say.
And with a Red Bull, you get the edge, it gives you wings, and you get Kirby Chambliss, who has demonstrated to the world and to the air show industry that he is one of the best of the best, having just last year at the International Council of Air Shows convention won the Art Scholl Memorial Showman Certificate, the highest award given to the air show industry. He flies is incomparable.
And he'll give Kirby a good not a good idea. Because Kirby will just go down there and say hello, I guarantee it.
He'll taunt him.
He will taunt him. Eric's set back up for another run. Look down there on the left. You'll see the blue car. Kirby Chambliss in the sky.
Between Precision Exotics. Kirby now over the top. Smallest inside loop.
Oh my goodness, that's a good Buster. You wish your mother-in-law was on that one too, don't you?
Yes, indeed. Now he's going to swing way out to the left, come back in, and I think we're going to see a run down the runway. Kirby is going to have a diving start. If he wants to, he can get up close to 275 miles per hour in this airplane, and at least 160 from these Precision Exotics vehicles that are out there.
All right, let's watch it. Kirby and Precision Exotics. Again, you too can drive this car down on the right side of the field where they're looking.
Look at those point rolls back and forth. Now he'll experience about 10 or 11 G's.
Like you and me leaving Denny's last night, huh?
I weighed that much, but it didn't feel like it.
Oh gosh, what a great meal that was. It's a tradition around here. Look at that Red Bull. I'm telling you, the Red Bull.
Sorry, tried to together. Red Bull.
That ship is sailed. Yeah.
The joke is over. Is that your
The can has been popped. But the fun thing about Red Bull, though, is just the people. If you get to meet these fellas as they walk right down the line, high five and shake their hand and tell
you. Up 60 degrees, nose high, rolls it on its back. He does the outside snap rolls.
No, not for me.
Nope. No. The snap roll is a high-speed stall on one wing.
It's not particularly fun to do.
No, it's uncomfortable. Now here he goes. Down the line.
Eric's sitting back there going, I don't know what I got myself into.
You see him set that vertical line. Any change in the smoke that the aerobatic judges will see as the recognition that the pilot has set a perfect vertical climb.
You know, you talk about aerobatics, loops and rolls, right? But the hardest part of any aerobatic maneuver is flying, learning to fly in a straight line. You have to be able to do that and enter the box, leave the box at that same point, and master the art of flying in a straight line. And then you can it's a that's
But the gyroscopic tumbling maneuvers, nobody thought 40 years ago were even possible.
Well, that's so true. You know what? Here we are, right? A large contributor to that is the radio controlled aircraft folks, the RC.
Oh, there's the race.
Yeah, he's just sliding around out there, isn't he?
like he's going to touchdown, but watch this. There's the Red Bull gives you wings for Give it up for Aaron Fitzgerald, Sean McCormick, Mike Swanson, and Kirby Chambliss, the Red Bull Air Force. We'll be right back after this safety announcement.